Hey guys, I'm so excited about this dessert. It is called the Coconut Vegan Dream Dessert, and it is a dream. It is my favorite dessert. I love it. It is to die for. I have Angel. She is a chef. She's a private chef. She can come to your house and actually make this for you. Angel, take it away. Show us how to make this amazing dessert.
So this is the Coconut Vegan Dream, and I'm so glad that this is Chantel's favorite dessert. This is actually all vegan and it's mostly coconut. So we're going to start with the coconut gel. So just to show you, this product comes packaged like this. So this is in syrup. To draw out the sugar, I drained and I washed it. And also 24 hours prior to making this dessert, I also soaked it in water so that it will still draw out the extra sugar in it. And I did the same thing with our second ingredient. This is the coconut palm. So this was also in syrup. I just did the same process as I did with the coconut gel. Our next ingredient is coconut screw pine gelatin. It's actually an indigenous leaf. This is the screw pine leaf, also called pandan leaf in my language, the Philippines. So it gives a nice flour flavor profile to any of your food. You can cook it with rice and especially make gelatin out of it. Just to make it easier for you guys to make the coconut gelatin, I actually have this product. It's a Thai product, and then it is a coconut juice flavored agar-agar. It is definitely vegan because agar-agar is derived from seaweed. So it is not an animal product like most of the gelatin. I have here taro flavored tapioca pearl, and this is from tapioca, so definitely vegan. This is the package for a tapioca pearl. This is not the taro flavored, but if you do go to the Asian grocery stores, they have different flavors. This is just a plain regular tapioca pearl that can be cooked. You just boil it and it'll be cooked in 5 to 7 minutes. The star of the dessert, shredded coconut. You can get this frozen in Asian stores. These are all products that you probably have just heard for the first time today. I am Angel, a dash of Angel. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me on Facebook. My website is coming soon, but feel free to message me so that I can tell you where are all the Asian grocery stores around Hampton Road. So I can give you that. I will give you tips and free recipes. And coconut whip. This was actually introduced to me by Chantel. Thank you, Chantel. Shout out to you. So this is very good coconut product whipped cream, and it already has sugar content in it. I suggest not to use extra sweeteners because this already has natural sweetness to it. So we can move on to just mixing everything together. We have here the frozen coconut. I'll put this first. This is half a cup of the taro tapioca pearl. We will throw in the gelatin. This is the coconut palm, so we're also going to throw this in here. And the coconut gel. And for this recipe, we're only going to use just half of this tub of coconut whipped cream. And to liquefy it a little bit more, I'm actually adding half can of these organic coconut cream by Let's Do Organic. So just a rule of thumb, if you're going to work with coconut cream that's already in the can, you want to shake it first because some of the fat, the fat of the coconut will actually just stay on top, and then the water content of the coconut will stay at the bottom. So you do want to shake it just so that to incorporate the fat and the liquid content of the coconut cream. And then we're just going to use half of this can. And just simply mix it.
I'll be the taste tester. Taste it. I've already tasted it before because I know how good it is. I love it. It's so good. It's not too sweet. It gives you just the right amount. I love it. Delicious. Great job. You nailed it.
Thank you. And thank you, everyone.